Today we are going to study chapter number 10, Disaster Management, from Science and Technology Part 2. What is a disaster? Variously dangerous events occur many times in the environment. Those are called as disasters. Some of the natural disasters are floods, wet and dry famine, cyclones, earthquakes, volcanoes, etc. These are all of a sudden troubles to the mankind. Such events cause sudden changes in the environment and thereby cause the damage to it. Environment is also damaged due to use of natural resources for our development. This leads to sudden disasters unexpected to human. These can be called as man-made disasters. United Nations has defined the disaster as the sudden event that leads to the huge loss of life and property. The words like huge and sudden are important in the definition. As the disaster occurs suddenly, it cannot be predicted, hence, precautions are not possible. Huge losses to the property occur in the area of disaster. There are long term effects on the society due to incidences of life and property loss. Various areas of life like economic, social, cultural, political, law, and administration, etc., are affected by it. The life in the area of disaster disturbs totally. There is loss to the life and property of the people in distress. We have studied various types of disaster and the measures to be taken. None of the different disasters are similar. Period of each disaster is not same. Some disasters are short term, whereas some are long term. Reason behind each disaster are also different. Depending upon the nature of disaster, it can be determined that which component of the environment will be affected more. Disasters are broadly classified as natural disasters and man-made disasters. We can classify the disaster into other ways too, like catastrophic disasters, example, cyclones in Odisha, catastrophic earthquakes of Gujarat and Latur, frequently buzzing cyclones in coastal Andhra Pradesh, etc., which lead to the total chaos, huge loss of life and property in respective region. However, irrespective of all this, life has always returned to normal within short time. Disasters making the impact for long duration are those whose after effects are either severe or severity increases with time. Example, famine, various problems of crops, strikes of workers, rising levels of ocean, desertification, etc. Disaster can also be classified broadly into three more types depending upon whether the disaster has occurred due to or related to geophysical, biological, and man made factors. There are three types of disaster. The first type is geophysical disaster, second type is biological disaster, and third type is man made disaster. Geophysical disaster is further subdivided into two major types. The first type is geological disaster and atmospheric disaster. Biological disaster is further divided into two types: disaster related to plants and disaster related to animals. Man made disaster is further divided into unknown disaster and international disaster. Earthquake, volcano, tsunami, landslide, landfall, erosion, alkalization, flooding are some of the examples of geological disaster. Hot and cold waves, snowstorms, snowfall, cyclones, hailstorm, drought, flood, meteorite, sunspot, etc. are some of the examples of atmospheric disaster. Forest fire, fungal diseases, weeds are some of the examples of biological disaster related to plants. Diseases like cholera, malaria, hepatitis, plague, which are caused due to the infectious viruses, bacteria, and parasites, and bite of the poisonous insects and animal, etc., are some examples related to disaster due to animals. Some of the mishaps like leakage of the poisonous gases, atomic test, unplanned action, accidents are included under man-made disaster. The third type of disaster, which includes man-made disaster, includes the affairs like war, fire, bomb blast, forced migration, terrorism, rapes, and child labor. Effects of disaster: collapsing of bridges, flooding of coastal villages, shortage of food are some of the problems of floods. Collapsing of houses, developing cracks in land are some of the effects of earthquake. Disaster like forest fire and drought also adversely affect the environment. Disaster definitely affect the economy of the nation. That effect is always relative to the disaster and economy. For example, if any port is destroyed, there are long-lasting effects on economy due to huge expenses on its reconstruction. And effect on disaster on social leadership is that if local leadership is not strong enough, citizens become confused. It affects their participation in rescue and rehabilitation activities. Administrative problems arise during the disaster. If local governing bodies are affected by disaster, a related department cannot answer the problems of disaster efficiently. All the concerned departments are affected by the disaster and thereby entire system collapses. Take a look at this chart. Different effects of disaster are mentioned in this chart. Some of the medical effects are injuries, emotional and mental stress, increase in epidemics, death of the victims. Some of the political effects are political unrest, loss of political trust. Some of the administrative professional effects are stress on the workers, collapsing of the transport system, shortage of facilities, etc. Some of the effects on environment are partial or complete collapsing of the buildings, drying out of the water sources, contamination of water, stinking pollution of environment due to decomposing of corpses of humans and other animals. Some of the social effects are unemployment, poverty, disharmony in society, social and cultural problems, problems in basic amenities like housing, drinking water, sanitation. Some of the economic effects are sudden increase in the fund expenditure, shortage of the funds for development of other sectors, decrease in productivity.